Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to back up your wallet for Coin98. To back up your Coin98 wallet, first of all, open the Coin98 app and make sure that you're signed in. After you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And once you do that, click on the My Wallets tab in the expanded menu. All of your wallets that you have will be listed on the page. Select the wallet you want to back up and then tap on it. In the expanded menu at the bottom, click on Show Seed Phrase. You can also click on Show Private Key to back up your private key. I'm gonna tap on Show Seed Phrase. Right after you do that, you will see this pop up. Remember that your seed phrase and your private key is the key to access your wallet, so make sure to keep your seed phrases and private key secure and safe, away from anyone's reach. Do not share your seed phrases or private key to anyone. If you ensure that, then you can tap on the View button. You will then come across your seed phrases on the screen. Make sure to write down these seed phrases in a piece of a paper where no one will be able to access them. After you write down these recovery phrases, you can safely exit the settings. As long as you have your backup phrases, you can access your wallet anytime, even if you lost your device. So that's how you easily back up your wallet for Coin98. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.